Great execution there. Everything but the shot.
Like a wide receiver.
You pinalik kay Abando! Like this one, partner.
Like a wide receiver, cupping it in one hand.
Papasa palabas, hindi pa siya balanse, stepping inside the shaded area and just going off the vert and then dunking it hard.
Si Abando na, hindi diskarte dito.
Renz Abando atake! Renz Abando! And a foul! My goodness!
Kaya ganito maglaro si Renz Abando. Pero dribbling daw.
Who needs to... Cosejo, atake, Cosejo! Pinura ni Abando!
Gusto niya i-dunk.
Renz Abando denying that dunk attempt by Nat Cosejo. Last time to make something happen here. Rayson steals the ball away. Mina, Abando, showtime!
Renz Abando. Fast break opportunity. Alec Mina knows. Ikaw nang bahala, kapatid. Renz Abando flying, skying, and jamming it home here in La Salle Green Hills.
This won't go down. The drive from De La Cruz. Here's Abando. Bumitin sa ere. Lista mo ba?
Grabe naman yung tinalo niya na yun.
Abando versus Calma, and Abando prevails. No problem. Ito na, nagpakilala na. First touchdown na nag-touchdown. Showing us the back, the behind the back, the crossover. Confusing his body and his athleticism. And there we go, tapay, open na ako. Huwag ka magalala. Nandito pa. Abando! As here inside of Philoy Banking Center, look at this! The alley ending up with a one-handed facial for Renz Abando.
Grabe bro, no? Very effortless yung talo niya.
Parang kasi threat eh, pwedeng decoy muna. Fajarito bumitin sa ere, Renz Abando! There he is! Pero naagawan doon si Renz. Gamboa, iikot! Supalpal!
And that's how you make up. That's how you make up for a turnover. Renz Abando.
Ang ginawa ito si Paraiso, eto na. Ang ganda ng ikot eh.
Papua sa NCAA. 91.
Abando grabs his own miss. Abando grabs the basketball, which was snapped loose, and he scores underneath the basket. The rookie,
Winning Rookie of the Year, grabbing the MVP, and today, gusto niya ng championship. Nawala
you. Binigay kay Ambohor. Abando fakes, drives, and scores!
Well,
Kasi 11-0 ngayon ng Letran. Abando, may hawak ng bola. Abando, atake. Here comes the rookie MVP.
he really wants this.